box yet. Shit. Okay. It has arrived, and it took 3 FedEx people to haul it out of a truck and 1 single white boy to put it back in his Crown Vic. So, finally.
2 to carry to the shed.
This box is in quite shambles. You can see part of the frame sticking out here. Looks like maybe where the pegs go. You probably can't see that on camera. I already picked out the Go Power Sports stickers that it comes with, so there's those. Put those back in my shirt. There's a seat. Nice seat.
This is kind of a cool little plastic wrap. Yeah, you don't have to tear it? Look. You can just stretch it off.
Oh, that's sick.
You put it back on.
That's pretty smart, Go Power Sports.
Nice seat.
Ah, that's actually nice and big.
Heck yeah.
That's nice. I can't wait. Go Power Sports says they're not reliable or responsible for any. That's pretty cool.
I'm going to say that on the sticker.
They're not responsible or reliable for any dents or damages that are done to the frame. As you can see here, right on the pillar where the stem is, it's pretty,
a little paint chip.
Yeah. Shouldn't,
Trying to hold back this feeling for so long.
Is that on?
Dang. I thought these stickers would not be on here. Yeah. My junk is heavy. Looks like the axle assembly here.
I'm assuming there's going to be bolts and things that are needed for us to assemble. Oh, it's a headlight.
No way. It is headlight. So that one you do got to rip off. It's not just.
Bubble wrap. Oh, that's nice.
That's actually a pretty sweet headlight. Can you see that? That's a lot bigger than it would be. Look at the bulb is monstrous in that thing.
There's other things. There's handlebars.
Probably hook up to.
There's some.
You got 3 leads. I wonder.
Toolkit.
Ooh, that's pretty sweet. Comes with a toolkit. I remember my Coleman CT100 came with a little toolkit like that. In fact, it's on my original video. Toolkit!
These are all cast aluminum.
These are all nuts and stuff inside of here. What really interests me is this guy.
Orange, though.
What the hell?
The instructions will.
Is that like a... Is this for the lamp or the...
There's also handlebars. There's some
grips. Huh. Here's a... Oh, this is for the torque converter. So... Ooh, here's the handlebars. Feels like they come pre-assembled, too. Oh, they do. No way. You just put the... Ah! Okay, that's pretty neato. Oh god, that's probably important. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Pretty sick.
There you go. Oh, yes.
The freaking caliper's just dangling. This is caliper 1, caliper 2. Oh, I'm digging that. It comes pre-filled with brake fluid already.
Okay, so the other one is your whiskey. The one that was in that box.
Yeah. Definitely gonna switch this over to thumb throttle. Gently put that over here. Woo! That's the top of the forks right there.
I'm guessing this is the bottom.
Yes, sir. That is the assembly. There's a fender.
Yes.
Yeah. Look at that. It's kind of beefy. Can't tell if that's a front or rear fender.
I'm gonna say it's the front rear.
Before we put this front fork together, we're gonna need to get some bearing grease.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Love that.
Right? This is good. I just can't wait till you get yours and we'll just we'll put it together in a zip and just really look at that. And that's the front tire. That's a front disc brake right there, ladies and gentlemen. Nice big old tire, and apparently you can put bigger tires on these rims. They make 20-inch tires for them. These are 19s.
Yes, sir.
So. I didn't know there were 3-bolt. Alright. Ooh, I'm gonna know what this is. Oh. Yeah, this is a torque converter assembly.
Oh, is this just a 10 psi tire?
Oh, yeah.
I guess she's aired up and ready to go. Feel it.
I'm gonna not pull this out of the package. It's got the drive and the driven pulley for the torque converter.
And a belt.
And a belt on the top. Tomorrow I'll be ordering the new belts. So I don't have to worry about wearing them out. This tire. Oh, here we go. Ooh, is that a frame? Nah, dude, that's a frame. Pretty beefy.
These little gaskets on the.
Yeah,
those are for your panels.
Those are for the.
If I pop those in right now.
That's the wrong one. It's kind of like a beauty cover for a fucking car.
Put this down.
That's the chain guard. Wow, that's heavy, whatever the hell that is.
It's just this
Oh, these are the forks. That's sweet.
Is that black tube important? I think it is. Is that it breaks time?
Oh, this is throttle cable. Nice. Well, this will only be shortly on the bike because as of tomorrow, I'm going to be putting a thumb throttle with some pro taper grips and I'm getting a pack of belts for the torque converter. John will probably be doing the same thing. Probably the same grip too. A nice pillow top. And I think that's the rear fender. And here is the rear tire. Here again, you got your lovely disc brake. And machined rear sprocket. That's already assembled. And in the Power Sports video, it shows that you gotta assemble these and shows you how to assemble them, but yeah, it shouldn't bother too much. Those are just retainers. It's 52 tooth. So that's below. See, the gear ratio on my Coleman CT100 was 60 rear sprocket and then 12 clutch sprocket. So I think the one Go Power Sports is giving us is a 10 sprocket for the clutch, or the one that's going to be sitting on the jack shaft and then hooked up to a 52 tooth, and then with some torque converter adjustments, we get around 50. It's all right.